Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Asad and I am going to explain you the needle cricotherectomy in a very simple manner. It's a very important very important technique. This is used when there is a situation, do not intubate, do not ventilate, and patient is going to die. You have to imply this technique within 5 minutes, because within 5 minutes patient will die. For it, first of all, you take the simple intravenous drip line and you will attach it to the oxygen source, and you will take the cannula for adult 14 and 12 gauge and 5 cc syringe. You will take it, and you have a seized and oxygen source. Now you are going to start. You will apply the intravenous which is used in the drip of 1000 cc normal stand. You will apply it to the face mask connector, and connector is attached to the oxygen cylinder. You will make a hole in the side wall of this intravenous tubing. It should be on side one side, and after that, now you will take the cannula, which is 12 or 14 gauge in adults and 16 to 18 gauge in children's. Now you will, after taking this cannula, you will attach a 5 cc syringe on the back of that cannula, and after this, making this, you will go to the patient. If patient is having saturation less than 90% and you cannot intubate and he is going to die, brain death can be occur, you have to prevent it. You go and we will see the landmarks. And now, after identification the thyroid cartilage and cricut cartilage, you will go above the cricut cartilage first 90 degree straight 2 millimeter, so that upper border of cricut cartilage in cricothyroid membrane. After 2 millimeter 90 degree, you will turn to the foot and 45 degree, and cannula will be pushed on 3 to 5 millimeter more, and then you will see the through filling by the syringe 5 cc. Now you remove the needle from the cannula. You will fix the cannula, and you will attach the intravenous tubing with an hole and attached with the oxygen source to the IV cannula. After stabilizing and setting it, you will open the oxygen 12 to 14 liters per minute, and you will see the oxygen in the lungs, and you have to give the oxygen 14 liters per minute in 1 second, and for 4 seconds you have to give for the passage of carbon dioxide. You will see say 1 and press the hole so that oxygen will be reversed for 1 second, and then you pull your finger and say 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. This will keep the patient alive 30 to 45 minutes, and in the meantime you will call for have you